Hi everyone. So today I'll be discussing about gearbox troubleshooting or gearbox problems and remedies, solutions required to solve these problems. So the first important problem associated with the gearbox is noisy operation. The driver may experience noise while shifting the gearbox or while running the gearbox. So the first reason that creates noise in the gearbox is bearings. We know that we mount gears on the bearings, and if these bearings have worn out, then definitely we need a remedy that we need to replace that particular bearing. Then the noise will be reduced, or we might need to use proper lubrications in the bearings so that the noise will be reduced. The second reason for noisy operation is a counter shaft. We know that there are three shafts: main shaft, counter shaft, this can be called as lay shaft also, and clutch shaft. If this counter shaft is having bent or it has worn out, then definitely will or driver will experience noise in operation. Or if this counter shaft is having large end play, means this counter shaft, if it is not in line with the clutch shaft or main shaft, then also the driver will experience noise in gear operation. Third reason, gear may be worn out. So there are several reasons for gears of a gearbox may be worn out. This is maybe because of the alignments of different gears. This is maybe because of the misalignments of the clutch also, and this is because of the loading conditions of a vehicle, different loading condition of a vehicle, or even the operation of gearbox by the driver. So this might be reason. If the gears have worn out, then definitely this will turn to noise in gearbox operation. Then shortage or incorrect grade of lubricants. If there is a shortage of lubricants in the gearbox, then definitely the noise will increase. And if the noise will increase, definitely due to this shortage, the gear will break, or gear's failure will be there, or gear may worn out. An incorrect grade of lubricants. So we know that basically for heavy vehicles we require thicker grades of lubricants. In case of light vehicles, we require thinner grades of lubricants, right? But if this is not, or if this is overlooked, then definitely and incorrect grade is used, in that case also we'll experience a noise. And then mounting bolts may loose and need to be tightened. If the bolts are loose, definitely we'll be having or experience a noise due to this movement, so due to vibrations. And the remedy is we need to tighten these bolts. Second reason, or the second problem associated with the gearboxes, is hard gear shifting. Many times driver experiences very hard to shift the gears, maybe to shift the gears from first gear to second gear to third gear, or maybe from third gear to second gear, etc. So there are several reasons why this driver experiences hard gear shifting. This might be the first reason: clutch adjustment. We know that if the clutch adjustment is not correct, then driver will experience hard to shift the gears. We know that if the clutch is not properly disengaged, then there is difficulty in shifting the gears. So clutch pedal has to be pressed perfectly so that the driver will be able to shift the gears very smoothly. If it is not there, if it is the problem with the clutch adjustment, then definitely there will be a hard gear shifting. Problems with clutch linkages. If the clutch linkages are binding, need lubricants, in that case also the driver will experience hard gear shifting. So this has to be properly lubricated, or clutch adjustment, if it is not correct, then one has to correct the adjustment, replace the parts if required, and these are the remedies. Third, main shift gears may be tight on splines. This is on. So if the main shift gears are tight on the splines, definitely what will happen, with the help of gear shifting knob or with the help of this fork mechanism also, it is difficult to slide the gears in the splines because these gears are tight on the spline. And what the care we need to be taken, main shift splines should be cleaned and properly lubricated. Then it is possible to move these splines, these gears on these splines smoothly. Then gear shift mechanism may not adjust or lubricated properly. We have discussed this gear shift mechanism. We know that there is a gear knob, there is the selector mechanisms. If there is a problem with it, then with the help of gear knob will not be able to smoothly make these movements of this gear knob, gear shift rods, these dog clutches, etc., and the driver will experience hard shifting. So means there might be the problems with the gears, they may be tight, there might be the problems with gear shifting mechanism itself. And then in case of synchro mesh unit, we know that there are many parts as far as synchro mesh unit is concerned. So these small parts may be jammed, may get jammed, or may be damaged. If damaged, they need to replace, and if they are jammed, need proper lubrication. Otherwise, driver will experience hard gear shifting. And this gear lever ball joints, we know that these joints, with the help of these joints, we are able to move the gear shift knob and hence the gears. If these are jammed or binding, then they need to have proper lubrication. This is the third problem associated with the gearboxes. Sometimes we observe that gear may be locked in any position. Gears of clutch shaft or the engagement of gears, gear pair of clutch shaft and counter shaft, may be gear pair of main shaft and counter shaft, which will be locked, and there are several reasons. As you can see here, the first important reason is selector fork may be bent. With the help of this selector fork, we move the gears or dog clutches. So selector fork, if it is bent, or selector rods may have worn out, then also the gears will be locked in position. That means we could not change the position of gear. This is because there might be the problem in the selector fork itself. And second, if the teeth on any gear may be broken or worn out, definitely they will jam. If there is a pair or the gear on the main shaft, if the gear on the main shaft is in contact with the gear on the counter shaft, and this, if these two have worn out or broken, then definitely this will jam or this will not rotate. In that case also we can consider the gears are locked in any position. Now the next troubleshooting is gear slipping. Gear slipping means gears may slip or jumps out during engagement. That means if the vehicle is running in first gear and in between this first gear, the gears may slip and jumps out during engagement, and this is very risky for drivers and occupants. So there are several reasons of gear slipping. The first is selector mechanism may be worn out. Means selector mechanism is not capable to hold the gears properly, or sometimes the slipping will occur. So there is a problem with selector mechanism, and the remedy is replacement is the only remedy. We need to replace the gear selector mechanism. See, gears on the main shaft may be very loose. If gears on the main shaft are not tight enough, then definitely there might be a plane between, and these gears will change the position during engagement. The next reason of gear slipping is worn out bearings. Due to these bearings also, if the bearings are worn out, there will be a play and due to that the gears may coming across a slipping. So bearings has to be replaced. This is the remedy. Then the main shaft splines may be worn out or damaged. Obviously, if there will be a proper contact in between gears and these splines, then only these gears will properly hold the contact with other gears. Otherwise, if these splines themselves have worn out, then definitely there will be a play and gear slipping will occur. Clutch shaft may be worn out. Obviously, clutch shaft gear is in contact with the continuously contact with the gears on counter shaft. If there is a problem with the clutch shaft, or if the clutch shaft is worn out, there will be a play and gears may be shifted, or gear shift slip may be occur during engagement. So this clutch shaft need to be replaced. This is a remedy. Misalignment of clutch housing. Obviously, there is a misalignment of clutch housing or clutch itself, then definitely this will be having an effect on the clutch shaft or clutch shaft play. If the clutch shaft play is there, so there will not be a perfect contact in between clutch shaft gear and counter shaft gear. So the slipping may occur. And the last problem associated with this gearbox is gearbox leakage. And this is the common problem that we can experience in many vehicles. So we'll just see what are the different reasons due to that gearbox leakage is possible, or we'll also see how to avoid it. So the first important reason for gearbox leakages is damaged oil seals. If the oil seals are damaged, we need to replace it, and that is remedies. Second, damaged or even missing gaskets. We know that when we connect different parts to each other, or in case of the gearbox casing also, there are two parts we connect with the help of nut bolts. So in that nut bolts, and in between we place gaskets. So if these gaskets are damaged, or at the time of fitting, if the gaskets are missing, then definitely the gearbox will leak. Then, as I talked, with the help of these bolts we fit the casing or cover of this gearbox. If the bolts on the gearbox cover may loose, if the bolts are loose, definitely through this gasket also and these bolts also, the oil will come out of the casing. So this nut bolt should be tightened properly. And then oil used may be thinner than one specified. As also I talked on this point, if a heavy vehicle is there, or for different types of vehicles will be having different grades of oils. If the oil is used thinner but it is expected to use thicker oil, in that case also it is possible to, it can susceptible for leakage, or gearbox leakage will be there. And drain plug. So we know that we change the oil through this drain plug. After a specific time interval, we'll drain the oil from the engine or gearbox, and then again we refill the oil. In that case, if there is a problem with this drain plug, then definitely the oil will come out through this drain plug. It may be loose or it may be damaged. In that case, we need to replace the drain plug. And this is the last reason for gearbox leakage. So gearbox case may be cracked. In some cases we will observe that it is cracked. Maybe it is suddenly experienced very high loads. In that case also it may be cracked, or due to the road conditions also the vehicle gearbox crack will be there. So in that cases we can opt two things. We can just go for welding if it is possible, if the smaller cracks are there. Otherwise we need to replace the gearbox casing. So these are important gearbox troubleshooting and remedies.